Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a Bible book cover with handles. So let's get started, and I will be leaving in the description box how to obtain your measurements for your Bible. And supplies needed is cotton fabric, fusible fleece, elastic, a button, and a measuring tool. I begin by preparing the handles. Fold your fabric in half, iron, and then once ironed, open it up and then meet your sides to the center on both sides, and repeat for both handles. And once ironed, be sure to add the fusible fleece inside the handle. And now we're going to do a top stitch on both sides of the fabric at 1/8 of an inch. And now it's time to add the fusible fleece on the outer fabric. First I like to tack it down and then flip it over and then continue to adhere it. And do remember that the fusible fleece is just like interfacing. It has little miniature dots. That's actually glue that adheres to the fabric. And now I'm going to be ironing the other pieces of the fabric and also getting it prepared for stitching. And now when placing your cover pocket, make sure that the opening is on the outside. And now I'm going to secure with pins, and then we're going to be adding the handles. And the handle placement is 2 inches out from the outer side. And be sure not to twist your handle. And now repeat the same step on the opposite side. And we're also going to be adding the elastic. To get the measurement for your elastic, what I like to do is to measure the width of the Bible and then double it. And place the elastic in the center of one side of the handle. Now we're going to sew all the way around with 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, and be sure to backstitch on the handles and the elastic. And now we're going to remove the pins and then add our outer fabric. As you can tell, my fabric is directional, so if yours is too, make sure it's in the same direction. We're going to pin and sew. And now we're going to be marking approximately 4 to 6 inches, and that's where we're not going to sew, so we can turn the book cover right side out. And using 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, begin sewing. Be sure to backstitch at the beginning and the end of stitching. And also reinforce stitching on the handles. And now remove the pins, clip your corners and the handle tabs. And now it's time to turn the Bible cover right side out. And for the corners, what I like to use is a dowel rod. Now we're going to iron prior to top stitching. And now top stitch completely around with a 1/8 of an inch seam allowance. And now we're going to be adding a button. Place the button in the center of the handles, opposite side of the elastic. And also in the iCard, I have left the link for the bookmark tutorials. It's a great way to use your scraps. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy sewing, and see you next time.